Today we're going to take a look at our premier chess pieces, which is our top of the line plastic chess set. These pieces come with a large 4 1/8 inch king with a 1 7/8 inch base and fit best on a board with 2 3/8 inch to 2 3/4 inch squares. The board you see here is our large mouse pad board with 2 3/8 inch squares. The nice thing about this mouse pad board is that it lies flat each time it's unrolled. These pieces meet all tournament standards, and with the wider bases are great for both long and blitz games. Not only do these pieces look great, they're fun to play with and they're sure to garner attention when playing with your friends or at your local chess club. These pieces have a heavy-duty felt paper bottom, and the king on this set weighs a little over 2 ounces. The complete set of pieces, including the extra queens, weighs 3 pounds 12 ounces, which is a very heavy set. This set is available both in the natural color with the black that you see here, as well as the ivory color that we have set up on the board. These pieces come in 2 plastic Ziploc bags just like this. You might also consider adding one of our premier tournament bags that we have here. This bag is larger than our normal tournament bag, and it accommodates sets with 4-inch kings or greater. And the clock pocket is larger as well and will accommodate the full-size Chronos even in the original box. When you purchase these pieces in a chess set combo versus just buying the pieces alone, a board and bag will be included. Please read the product description for each chess set combo to determine which pieces, board, and bag are included with that particular combo. This set does include extra queens for a total of 34 pieces. Don't forget that this set also comes with our lifetime missing piece guarantee. If you ever lose a piece, contact us and we will be happy to provide you with a free replacement piece.